What's going on, Chemical Guys family, and welcome back to Detail Garage. Summer is right around the corner, so we've picked 5 must-have detailing products that keep the exterior of your ride looking its best. Let's jump right in. First off, we have HydroShield, and this is a great way to add durable protection to your exterior vinyl, rubber, and plastic. Harsh UV rays beat down on these type of materials, causing them to look gray and chalky over time. This is a great way to add nutrients and the proper chemical to give it that deep OEM finish while also remaining dry to the touch. So this is going to be a great way to enhance your exterior trim, your grille, as well as anything around the exterior, and it's dry to the touch so it won't attract any kind of dust or debris. HydroShield can also be used on the interior of your vehicle, on your dashboard, door panels, and anything else that's vinyl, rubber, and plastic around your car. And it's very simple to use. So begin by cleaning the surface using your favorite all-purpose cleaner such as Nonsense and dry it thoroughly. Then apply a fine coat using an applicator of HydroShield, work it into the surface and allow it to bond, and then buff off any excess just to make sure there's no streaks or residue. Next, we have HydroSlick. Now this is a great way to add a hyperwax ceramic layer of protection. Think of this as a sacrificial layer that's going to absorb those harsh UV rays, micro abrasions, as well as anything that could bond to the surface like water spots and dust and debris. This is going to keep your paintwork nice and smooth because it has leveling agents that make the paintwork one even keel, and it's also going to enhance that beautiful finish. But it's very simple to use. So start by washing the vehicle, clay bar it, and polish it if necessary. Then apply a fine coat using an applicator pad because HydroSlick is a hand-applied only chemical. Use a cross-hatching pattern to ensure that you haven't missed any areas or there's no high spots. And allow it to bond for about a minute, then wipe it off with a clean microfiber towel. Now if you're looking for more of a natural approach, we have JetSeal. This is a paint sealant which is going to lock in that natural deep gloss of your vehicle. It's also going to help reject harsh UV rays and elements for up to 12 months, and it's very simple to use. Now JetSeal is a very easy to apply product. You can do it by hand or machine using a soft applicator pad. If you're applying it by machine, be sure to use a soft finishing pad using the lowest speed setting. Apply using a cross-hatching pattern to ensure that you haven't missed any areas, but also that you're covering the entire vehicle. Now using a hand applicator pad makes it easier to get into small nooks and crevices as well as those tight areas, but it's still possible to achieve a beautiful shine using your machine polisher. One of my favorite products is butter wet wax. Now it's very versatile and it can also be combined with your favorite ceramic and sealant to add more hydrophobic properties as well as a deeper gloss. Butter wet wax is applied in the same manner as JetSeal. It can be applied by machine or by hand. Just apply 5 dots to your finishing pad if you're using it with your dual action polisher, or if you're using an applicator pad, just a couple lines is all you need. Then work it in thoroughly, allow about 10 to 15 minutes for it to bond and flash. Then come back with a clean microfiber towel and buff off any excess. Lastly, we have HydroBlitz. This is a ceramic-infused spray wax, which means it's just as easy to apply as your favorite spray wax, but it has ceramic, meaning it's going to enhance your coatings while also giving you hydrophobic properties, that deeper gloss, and that durable layer protection. HydroBlitz can be sprayed directly onto the surface of the vehicle as long as it's cool to the touch, or use your microfiber towel to control any kind of overspray. Simply spray directly onto your clean microfiber and then work it into the vehicle, then flip it over to a clean side and buff off any of that excess. This is a great way to ensure that you haven't missed any areas, but also that you're picking up any kind of light dust and debris while giving your vehicle that durable layer protection. So while you're out enjoying your ride, harsh UV rays are still going to be beating down on your paint, but you know that you're going to be protected using this lineup or a combination of any of these products to keep your ride looking its best for as long as possible. So guys, it really is that easy to protect your ride for this upcoming summer months. If you guys liked today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Drop your comments down below for any future videos. If you want to check out any of these products you've seen us use today, head over to your local detail garage or to our website, chemicalguys.com. We'll see you guys next time right here in the Detail Garage.